Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage caption on Instagram. Maybe you want to add automated captions on your every videos on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can manage captions on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Here, select the settings and privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down. And you'll see here the accessibility. Tap on the accessibility. And then from here, you'll see the captions. Simply tap on the captions. And here, to manage it, simply toggle this button to turn it on. You can see video posts you watch will show auto-generated captions. You can also change the language by tapping on this language and then selecting the language. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage captions on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage captions show auto-generated, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.